How to make money online as a beginner. Starting a side hustle online and unlocking multiple income streams sounds like a dream come true. Imagine having more time to spend with friends and family and traveling anywhere you want, all while making more money. The best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started. Even as a beginner, there are dozens of ways you can start making extra money online. Here's how to make money online for beginners, even if you don't have any skills or experience. As long as you have an internet connection, you're good to go. Hello and welcome to Steel Mentality, where future billionaires come to get inspired. Here we talk about business, entrepreneurship, personal development, psychology, money, success, and much more. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested and activate the notification bell. We publish every weekend one video to help you become the best version of yourself. Don't forget to download your ebook The Gamer's Guide to Money Management in the description below. How to make money online as a beginner. 1. Create a YouTube channel. A potentially lucrative way to make money online that you can do as a beginner is to create and monetize a YouTube channel. To get started, you'll need to have a YouTube account, which is free. You'll then be able to upload videos on your channel, which can be monetized with ads after you grow to a certain number of viewers. YouTube offers many different monetization strategies, including AdSense, where you earn a portion of ad revenue, sponsorships, where companies pay you to talk about their products, or affiliate marketing, where you get paid commissions when people buy a product you recommend. While YouTube can be a very profitable platform, creating a successful channel can be quite challenging. You'll need to produce regular content that is both high quality and engaging for your target audience, which can be very hard if you're just getting started out in the world of video production. The earnings potential on a successful YouTube channel varies greatly. Some may earn a few dollars per day, and others may earn over $100 per day or much more. 2. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep any inventory. Instead, you create a website where you advertise products for sale, and when a customer buys these products from you, the dropshipping company that you work with will fulfill the order and then send them to your customer. You are essentially the middleman between the manufacturer and the customer. And you keep the difference in the price you charge and the price of the item coming from the manufacturer. Dropshipping is one of those businesses where the only upfront investment is what it costs to create the online store. As a result, you won't have to buy products that you sell unless, of course, you want to test them for yourself or create video Facebook ads as a way to attract more sales. While running a business like this does require some knowledge about how websites operate online and how shipping works across borders, it can also be quite lucrative if done correctly. AliExpress is one of the ultimate dropshipping stores in the world. Based in China, you can buy just about anything that you would think to dropship on AliExpress, making this online store an ideal site to link up to your dropshipping business. When combined with Shopify, you can create a fully functional and semi-passive dropshipping store. This can be done by finding a profitable niche, setting up a Shopify store, and then linking it to your AliExpress account. 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you earn commissions by promoting someone else's product on your site. It works by you telling your audience about it in a blog post, on social media, or through email, using one or more affiliate networks. You can find thousands of companies to partner up with to promote their products. Write ebooks and sell them on Amazon Kindle. Amazon will get your ebook in front of customers across the world, so whether you have an audience already or not, this could be a good option for you. You'll simply need to write the book, format it, and upload it to Amazon. You can even have a ghostwriter write your book for you. Selling ebooks can be a lucrative way to make money online because of the low startup costs and high potential. That said, making money with ebooks can be tricky, so even if you're able to get a book written, you still need to market it and get it seen by potential customers. Additionally, writing ebooks takes time and effort that might not make it worth your while in terms of a return on investment unless you have an audience or established platform ready to go. These are things you'll have to consider if you decide to write one or more ebooks. 5. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants take on many different tasks for clients, such as making phone calls, answering emails, organizing travel plans, or formatting documents and reports. For an online business like a blog, virtual assistants may write content, do search engine optimization updates, and respond to people who comment. Skills required for this type of work include excellent communication skills, ability to multitask well, good computer literacy. The average hourly pay range for a VA is $15 to $25 per hour. However, specialized VAs can often earn more. You can find work as a VA on Upwork or do a search on Facebook to find Facebook groups where VAs congregate. 6. Become a life coach. A life coach supports, educates, and motivates an individual to make changes in their life. The 2 primary steps you'll take when becoming a life coach are: Step 1. Become certified as a life coach by taking courses either online or at a place like the Institute for Life Coach Training. It can cost $1,500 or more to become a certified life coach. So having a plan beforehand as to how you will make money with your certification is essential. Step 2. Create your own website and social media accounts so clients can find you easily. You may also want to include information about your coaching philosophy and, of course, the services you offer. Being able to post content regularly on your site is also important for clients to understand more about how you can help them. Life coaches can make money online by offering a monthly membership and providing one-on-one and group coaching sessions, video calls, and other resources to help clients improve their lives. You may also want to consider advertising your services through sites like Thumbtack or Care.com as well if they're available where you live. 7. Teach English online. You can teach English to children in other countries on a site like VIP Kid. VIP Kid is a website that connects English teachers with children in China. The students are aged from elementary school to high school, and you'll be paid $14 to $22 an hour for teaching via video call on the VIPKid platform. You can set your own schedule and work as many or few hours as you'd like. That said, one of the main benefits of teaching on VIP Kid is that you don't need to be certified to start. 8. Create an online course. If you're an expert in a particular subject, then teaching others how to do it can be very profitable. Online education is vast, and many sites offer free and paid tools to create courses. The best way to create an online course is by using a platform that allows people to sign up and access your content. These platforms include Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable. Popular topics to create online courses about include how to cook, crocheting for beginners, home decorating and design, how to write code, how to make money blogging, how to write compelling copy, drawing and painting. There's really no limit to what you can teach if you know the topic well and can explain it to others in a way they'll understand. Pricing a course can be tricky as there's no right or wrong amount to charge as long as people buy from you. Checking out your competition is one way to determine how much to sell a copy of your course for. 9. Create a mobile app. If you're a developer, it can be lucrative to create your own mobile app. To make a successful mobile app, you'll need to do market research to determine if your idea will be profitable. With so many apps out there, finding a niche with a great need is key to succeed as an app developer. There are a few ways to make money with your mobile app, which including ads in the free version of your app, selling a paid or ad-free version of the app, adding microtransactions in your app. This especially works well if your app is a mobile game. A great thing about creating a successful mobile app is that it becomes a source of passive income as more and more people buy from you. You may have to update your app periodically to fix bugs or keep up with phone OS changes, but money earned will be mostly passive between these updates. 10. Become an Instagram influencer. Instagram influencers make money online by gaining a large following on Instagram. They work with brands, and they'll receive cash in exchange for mentioning the products that the brand sells. If you're an entrepreneur looking to make money online as well as build your personal brand, becoming an influencer is one way that works well. You'll first want to start building up followers before searching out sponsorships and other opportunities. It's important to be consistent with posting quality photos or videos of the subject matter that relates back to your niche. Instagram influencers can often make upwards of $1,000 per post depending on the niche and their follower count. Smaller accounts may see a few $100s per post as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you found it interesting. If you have any comments or feedback regarding this video, please leave a comment below. We love to hear from our subscribers as it helps us create new content.